far rafting.
Carry on.
It's going to be wet and wild, folks, and
It's the 1st of January 1998, so enjoy it.
Having made it safely down the gorge, it's into your raft. You meet your guide for the day, and now it's time to practice the art of keeping that boat upright. With high siding and paddling practice. First up is Bruce. This is Lazarus's crew. And today we've got Pen on board. This is Barnes.
Come back. Down to the left. Down to the right. To the left. To the right. Get it. Get up. Get down. Ready.
And here's Tabani.
Ready. High side. Everybody get to the left. Left right. And to the right.
While that's our sighting and paddling practice complete, let's go downstream now and put our newly learned skills to the test. Welcome to your first major rapid of the day. It's number 4, known as Morning Glory. That's because if it doesn't get you up, it's sure to get you wet. And first in, it's Barnes and crew. Lazarus. Oh, it's a huge hit. People out the side there. Oh, and over. Alrighty. Austin is guided by Tabani.
And now I'm feeling better, 'cause I found out for sure. She took me to the doctor.
Well, our guide's having some brilliant lines there, except for Lazarus. Let's get on to number 5. Well, just below that spectacular waterfall, we're at rapid number 5. It's called the Stairway to Heaven. Hold on tight, or it could be your highway to hell. First in, guided by Barnes. And next in, it's Bruce. Up and over. All right. This is Ben. And here comes Lazarus and his Zambezi swim team. Austin, it's Tabani. Well, our second flip of the day there from Bruce. Let's go down to the longest one of our day. And here we are much deeper in the Batoka Gorge at number 7. Our first raft in, it's Barnes. Oh, it's a coastal rare. And here comes Lazarus with the Zambezi swim team. Also guiding a swim team, it's Bruce. And doing it backwards, it's Ben. Austin, it's Tabani. Well, that's that for number 7. Let's get on and have a look at number 8. Welcome to the Midnight Diner. Our main course on the menu today, it's called the Muncher. And going down the wrong side of the river, it's Tabani. And following his line is Pennant. action there in the rapid number 8. Let's get on to number 9 and see what's going on there. Well, this is it. It's called Commercial Suicide and it's a grade 6 rapid. So I'm afraid you're going to have to carry your boats around here today. Safely around 9, let's get back in our rafts and go downstream to a well-deserved lunch.
That's very good, thank you.
What's your morning?
Nightmare.
Nightmare.
The morning was better than the raft.
Lost your glasses? Got somebody else's? How was the day there?
Attractive glasses that don't suit me.
But apart from that,
Marvellous. Marvellous. What can I say?
thank you very much. So how was the morning rafting?
Yes, it was very exciting.
Decided
I'm giving up now.
excellent. Cool.
But this young man looked after me very well. He was wonderful.
Alrighty folks, after the great yummy lunch, we're gonna head down now for rapid number 13. It's known as the Mother, and Happy New Year 1998. It's gonna be wet and wild down there, hold on tight, otherwise you're gonna fall in, then your line's gonna come up.
This is what Barnes is talking about. Rapid number 13. Scream your lungs out on the roller coaster ride, folks. First in is Barnes. Nice big hit there. And here comes Bruce. in, it's Tabani. Oh yes, they're also over. Hoo-ha. It's Lazarus. Taking a huge hit there, people flying out the side. Action in rapid 13. Let's get on to the last rapid of your day. This is it, it's number 17 and it's called Double Trouble because of these two holes. So enjoy the last rapid of your day, folks. First in, it's Lazarus. Oh, that's a nice big hit. Next in is Bruce. Stand back, get back. She'll paint your blue skies black. She gets full protection. She got a resurrection. Oh, that's also a big hit there. Surfs to it and through they go. Traveler's shoes. She's a river and she's turning there in front of me. And here comes Barnes. This is Brennan. Oh yes, they spin around their front surfing the hole and they wrap and over they go. A classic flip from Penn there. And next in it's Tabani taking a huge hit on the second wave there, almost over, somebody flying out the back. There from those last two rocks, that concludes our day on the mighty Zambezi. Now let's go down to the takeout point and enjoy a leisurely stroll to the top of the Batoka Gorge. So, good down the river today, how was it?
Yeah, fine.
Excellent. Do you have any remarks there?
It was glorious.
Excellent. And how about you? Glorious. How's your day?
Good.
Excellent.
Fine day. Thank you very much.
Excellent. Cheers, eh?
Cheers for a hungover.
Too good. Good New Year.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Never again. Total waste of time. Nice.
Have a good time today, sir?
Yep. Very good.
Alrighty. So was that a good way to spend New Year's Day?
Happy New Year! Different one.
You enjoy yourself there?
Absolutely. I need a wash.
How about you?
Oh, brilliant.
Alright. You have a good time, sir?
Brilliant. Brilliant.
Alrighty.
Happy New Year.
You have a good time?
Yes, interesting time.
How about you? Good swimming lessons today?
No. Brilliant. We left it to John. 13, that was the one.
You have a good time, eh?
Great, tremendous, didn't it?
How about you?
Got soaked. It was good.
You guys enjoy your afternoon?
Absolutely
Brilliant.
amazing.
Alrighty. How about you?
Great. Happy New Year.
To you too.
Hey there.
Have a good time?
Sure.
And how about you, sir?
Oh, indeed.
Good New Year's Day there?
Super, thank you.
Alrighty, and how about you?
Very good.
Okay.
Enjoy.
You have a good time?
Bloody marvellous.
You enjoy yourself there, sir?
Yes, I did enjoy it very much.
Alright, thanks. And how about you?
Excellent.
You do it again?
Yep.
Alrighty. Looking forward to the beer at the top there.
Absolutely.
Enjoy. How'd you find the climb? Hard work, eh?
Touch. I wasn't bringing the boat up.
How was that climb?
Pretty tough.
Have any remarks about that walk?
Just walking the countryside.
He lied.
Being good isn't always easy, no matter how hard I try. When he started sweet talking to me, he come and tell me everything is alright. He kiss and tell me everything's alright. Can I get away again tonight? The only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Lord knows he was. Yes, he was. How will I remember the look in his eyes?
Okay guys, after that climb out of the gorge, it's time for a bit of a beer. That's it. That's our day done, folks. Thanks for rafting with Safari by Excellence. You've had a great day today, but before you go, stick around for those highlights because you are in them. Bye.
I look good in the glass house.